Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac XT6 versus Escalade. We will explore their key differences, helping you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The XT6 offers a refined experience in a more compact package, while the Escalade delivers unparalleled presence and expansive comfort. Let's dive into the specifics of each impressive vehicle. When it comes to power, the XT6 provides capable performance with its V6 engine, perfect for daily driving and family trips. The Escalade, however, steps up with a robust V8, offering superior towing capacity and acceleration. Its larger footprint also translates to a more commanding road presence and generous interior dimensions for all occupants. Inside, both Cadillacs offer a luxurious cabin, but the Escalade truly elevates the experience. While the XT6 provides an intuitive infotainment system and comfortable seating, the Escalade showcases cutting-edge technology with its expansive curved display. It also includes more sophisticated features like available Super Cruise, enhancing your driving convenience and overall luxury feel. Considering pricing, the XT6 presents a compelling option for those seeking Cadillac luxury at a more accessible price point. The Escalade, with its higher starting price, justifies its cost through sheer size, power, and an abundance of premium features. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities for space, performance, and budget. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.